Today we're going to be installing some coilovers onto my Honda Civic. I know it's been a long time since I posted my last video, but I swear that I'm going to try my very best to post much more regularly from now on. Now bear with me, I will be making an update video on each of my cars. I'll show you guys a little quick video of them in a second, but today I'm just going to be running through with you guys how I install some coilovers onto my egg. Okay, we're gonna do the Skyline first just to keep the Skyline fans happy. Lol. And it looks so good in the sun. That color flip in the paint is so gorgeous. Can you guys see? How do I zoom in on this thing? This is a new camera. Oh, we're zooming in. Yep, here we go. See the gold? So gorgeous. It looks even better in real life. And for the E30 fans, there he is. My most sentimental car. We've been through a lot together. My EG Civic that I accidentally won at an auction, lol. The E92 is really dusty right now, so I'll show you guys the E92 another day, but let's get into these coilovers. So the car's already jacked up. I'm going to open the bonnet because we need to access the strut towers to be able to do this. Yo. Okay. Now we got to take the wheel off. I've already like pre-loosened, cracked these because I don't always look so glamorous when I work on my cars. If you watch my TikToks and like shorts and stuff. Lol. Let's move this over here, out of the way. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these two nuts from the strut tower, and then we're going to loosen this bolt and this bolt here to release this fork and drop this suspension. This is a 14 mil. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. That's probably loose enough. Oh shoot, okay. Well, that could have been really bad though. Okay. Now these guys under here, let's figure out what size they are. They're the same. Yeah, they're the same. Okay. This bottom bolt over here needs to be held on to, which is why I've got the spanner to stop it from free spinning to be able to get this bolt off. Okay. I really don't know how I'm going to make this look sexy for TikTok, but lol, gonna see how we go. All right. Okay, coming off. All right. As you can see, there's a thread on the end and spline. Okay, now to do the top one. That one's doesn't have a bolt on the other end. Oh shit. See, the suspension just fell through. So I'm just gonna release it from the fork. This is not a 14. I just need to change this real quick. Okay. Release it. I could probably do the rest of my finger maybe. It's awkward as there. All right. This one's a bit different. Okay. Now, before I can remove the suspension, I need to remove the attached brake line. And it's just two 12mm bolts. One here and one on the other side. This is the brake line. These are the bolts. Suspension, fork, brake line. As you can hear, someone's building a house next door or down the street. I have to go from under here. Gotta lift the suspension up a bit. Can I just do it with my hand now? Surely. Nope. Okay, that one's off. I need to do the one little rat in the back. Thanks for that. All right. I'm gonna try to pull it out now. Oh, it just slipped right out. No. Yay! Yeah. Awesome. All right. Also, this is my first time installing coilovers, so my method isn't perfect, as you can see, but yeah, if you guys have any pointers or tips on what I can do next time, just let me know in the comments. Also, if anybody wants to sponsor me some power tools, I'm a girl. Whoa. Okay, well, I'm dizzy. Okay. Just a note, before you install these, they need to be preloaded and the top hat pre-tightened before you put them into the car, to avoid any unwanted knocking. Before you put these in, some of you may know that these are budget coilovers. I'm not going to tell you guys what brand it is because I don't really recommend them. These are only supposed to last a year, but I thought these would be the perfect ones for me to practice on because, like I said before, this is my first rodeo with coilovers, and the cheaper the better. You know, if I accidentally F something up, it's no problem because they were cheap anyway. But yeah, let's go put these in. So first thing I'm going to do is put this little collar on the fork. I'm going to put it in here. Got to make sure the lip is pressed down into it flush. I don't really know how low I want the car to be, but I've just done this, and I guess once they're all in the car, I'll just readjust them to my taste. First things first is we're going to take these nuts off. Oh my god. See ya. Whoa. Why is this being rude? Oh, alright. Now, the hard part, I gotta put these through the strut towers and secure at least one side with the bolt so it doesn't fall through. Alright. Just gonna pick up this bolt over here. Oh, bruh. Alright. Just hold that there. I really should have grabbed the other nut too. Well, alright. Let's grab this other one. To the other side. I need the ratchet. Just gonna finish her off with this. No, not 17, maybe 16. Yeah, okay. Now that the suspension is secured to the strut tower, I need to feed the bottom end into this fork here that I put the cuff on earlier. It smells like pot in here. God, thank goodness for that. Oh my goodness, ouch. As you can see, it's seated pretty snug onto the fork. Now, because I made the coilovers shorter, I need to jack up underneath the brake to lift it up for me to bolt it on because it's too short right now, so BRB. Okay, so now that it's jacked up, you can see over here that the holes in the fork are now lining up. And now I can put the bolt through and secure it. All right, let's see how far I can get it in before I need to bash this thing in. No, okay. Okay, now screw this on the other end. Secure it. This again. Okay. Now we take the last bolt and secure it through this top of the fork right there. And then when that's done, we're going to secure the brand new brake line bracket. Let me just grab this 14 mil. And I don't think we need this anymore. Freaking way. that should do it. Okay, now it's time for this pain in the neck, the brake line bracket. And, seat it like that. Grab the nut and bolt. Let's get the little nut. Okay, no. Okay, so I just secured this off camera because it took me freaking 10 minutes to do. I had to hold it with a pair of pliers. The Allen key that they gave me didn't even fit either. So I did that off camera, but it's really, really hard to do. Okay, next we secure the brake lines. This one goes under, like that. This one goes there. I'm gonna get my bolts. Grab this 12 mil. Okay. Now this one is the real big pain. Okay, I'll just tighten it off with this. Oh. Okay. Oop. Oopsie daisy. Okay. Now that's all done. I'm gonna put the wheel back on the car off camera, and then we're gonna release the car and see how low it is. Okay, the wheel is on. I can already tell that it's not gonna be super low, but it's not like I can't adjust things later. Now we're gonna let it down. Okay. Here's a better look. These are still gonna settle, but like a 2-finger gap is gonna be better than a whole fist, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be installing the rear coilovers now for TikTok, so keep an eye for that video. Stay tuned for my next YouTube video on here, where I will be giving you guys all an update on my cars. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.